This is the all-new Meyer TM-2020F, a new, long-awaited, large-capacity pot-filling workhorse from Meyer. Meyer is the world leader in potting machine technology. We have their latest development here at Bellpark, and I'm here to tell you all about it. Hi folks, welcome to another Bellpark video. Today is special. I am excited. We have here the new Meyer TM-2020F, the successor to the popular Meyer TM-2020. We've had the first few arrive, which will be going out to customers shortly, but don't worry, we have more of these awesome potting machines on the way. The Meyer TM-2020F is a real breakthrough, and it's because of its thoughtful design that take into consideration many details which benefit the grower. In addition to an extremely robust and durable design, the TM-2020F, like all Meyer machines, runs smooth and quiet. First, let's take a look at some of the specs of the new 2020. Filling round pots, 12 up to 40 centimeters or 4.75 to 15.75 inch diameter. Square pots from 9 to 25 centimeters or 3.5 to 9.8 inch. A max pot height of 35 centimeters or 13.78 inches. The standard soil hopper has a capacity of 4 cubic yards. Optional 6.5 cubic yard capacity. 2,000 pots per hour is the maximum throughput of the 2020, and you can get 4 people working comfortably around the machine. So let's take a walk. Let's look at all the features of the machine. So starting up front, I want to talk about 6 unique features that actually work together and set the Meyer 2020 apart from the rest. So first we have the controller drum, which you can't see, but it's used on every potting machine. This is a massive gear in the middle of the carousel, which gives it that smooth and quiet operation and is extremely durable. The pot carousel and the soil platform actually move independently from each other, so you can adjust the speed of each according to how you are working or planting on the machine. One of my favorite features of the new 2020 is the working height of this machine. It's a perfect working height for planting bare root, and for reaching the soil. You also have a lot of space for 4 people to work comfortably around the carousel. This is a fully ergonomic design to maximize work efficiency and create a comfortable workspace. Now, this large cone in the center actually helps keep a clean flow and distribution of the soil over the table area. This is particularly helpful for bare root planting. Another fantastic feature is the 3-part slide for controlling the exact dosing of the soil onto the tabletop and into the pots. So these 6 characteristics together in one machine create a real system that maximizes efficiency, increase productivity, improve planting and filling quality, and make it possible to easily maintain a filling capacity of 2,000 pots per hour. These features also make this machine a pleasure to work around. So let's take a look at some of the more features up front before we walk around to the side and back of the machine. So notice this control stack, which is movable from side to side. So we have a speed control here for the turntable, for your soil elevator, for the drill speed, and for your soil rack, which is this tabletop. Then of course we have a start and stop buttons, an e-stop with reset, and a remote start for your remote start and stop box. We also have a light stack with indicator lights, so you know when the machine is in ready mode and if there's a fault. Safety. We have 8 emergency stop buttons located around the machine. And in addition to that, there are safety switches located on doors and other components to stop the machine should something be opened during operation. Now, one good example is this arm. If a pot gets stuck and does not exit the machine for any reason, this arm has a safety switch that will stop the machine. A few thoughtful items are several soil scrapers located around the carousel to move and clean off soil. For example, here on the pot holders, I have a little scraper that will prevent soil from exiting the machine as the pots go around. I also have this scraper which pushes soil to the middle of the carousel and keeps the soil off of the pot dispenser. There's also another scraper located in behind there to scrape soil off of the top of the pots before they get drilled out. So this machine holds 14 pots in its carousel. Adjusting to another pot size can be a task, but not on a Meyer. The 2020, like all Meyer potting machines, has a central pot holder adjustment system that allows you to change sizes with a single crank located here, and the height of the carousel adjusts up and down over there. This makes pot adjustments easy and accurate. When you adjust your pots, you can also move these plates to allow soil transfer to the pots smooth and easy. This is, of course, standard on every Meyer carousel. Now, these pot holders are also adjustable and interchangeable when needed. So around the side of the carousel, we have the pot transfer area, which moves the filled pots from the machine onto the outfeed belts. Now, notice the air jets, which actually push soil back into the machine to keep this area clean and also reuse any excess soil. So over here, we have the pot dispensing. So this can be done by hand, or you can option it like this with a double-sided pot dispenser with pneumatic assist. So this can be mounted directly on the machine, and this includes an in-feed storage belt like this one, where you place stacks of pots which are then fed into the machine. This dispenser is adjustable for different sizes and can also be used for round and square pots. Square pots up to 22 centimeters. Now, the ever-popular pot jet is also available for this machine, but we talk about that in a different video. So around the side here, we have the control panel, which has the connection points for the conveyors and other options. Also have a switch here for reversing the elevator, and we'll look at the elevator next. Now let's take a look at this touchscreen. This touchscreen has functions for starting and stopping all the individual components on the machine. It also serves as a production counter, and it's programmable when you want the machine to stop after a certain amount of filling. Check with your Bellpark Pro for all the functions available on this touchscreen. So around the back here, we have the 4 cubic yard hopper. Now, these extension plates are included in the basic configuration to get the soil capacity. This is mainly because this machine moves a lot of soil and needs the capacity to fill big pots. The hopper is also designed to prevent tunneling or bridging. These stainless scoops in the soil elevator are included in the standard package, as is the forward and reverse for the elevator, which I just showed you on the control panel. Now, there's an adjustable plate down here which controls the height of the soil entering the elevator. This is also adjustable. And this door, which we've just opened to show you inside, is easily opened just removing 2 bolts. This makes it easy to access for cleaning and servicing. There's also a heavy-duty chassis that's underneath the whole machine. This is also standard, and it's designed to handle all the weight. So we're over on the other side of the machine here by the drill. So the drill motor is of course adjustable in height, but it's also reversible. And the carousel stops at the exact position for a consistent and accurate drilling result in the center of your pot. This drill can also be configured to be a double, a triple, or even a quad drill, but check with your Bellpark Pro to discuss those options. Now moving behind the drill motor area, there's an adjustable crank system which indexes the hopper belt forward. You can adjust this to fine-tune the amount of soil that reaches the elevator scoops. This is also available as motor-driven with a frequency drive, but again, discuss that option with your Bellpark Pro. So I hope you enjoyed our tour of the new Meyer TM-2020F. I highly recommend, if you're interested in more information, to contact your Bellpark Pro or visit bellparkhorticulture.com. So click to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of a new Bellpark video. Thank you for watching.